Hold on. Do you have Graves' disease and experience eye symptoms like discomfort, dryness, and redness? It could be thyroid eye disease. Thyroid eye disease is also known as Graves' ophthalmopathy. It is an autoimmune condition that some people with autoimmune thyroid disease experience. Graves' disease is the main cause of this eye problem, affecting patients with normal or low thyroid function. Although eye symptoms can arise at any moment, they often occur within the first year after Graves' disease diagnosis. Some of the symptoms of Graves' eye disease are eye discomfort or difficulty moving your eyes, a dry eye or a teary eye, red or puffy eyelids, redness due to inflammation or swelling. Eye disease with thyroid problems is typically not severe and improves over time. However, some conditions can be extremely serious and need treatment with drugs or surgery. For further treatment options, consult your doctor to choose the treatment plan that works for you. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.